Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're talking about one of the most common errors, the customer not receiving the download link on the Gumroad in 2026. And if a customer paid but didn't receive the download link, this creates frustration immediately. But the good news, this issue is usually easy to fix. So let's walk through it step by step. Now, let's start by the first step, which is to check the spam folder. Most download links are sent via email, so you're going to ask the customer to check their spam or junk or promotion tab folder inside their own inbox in their email, whether it's the Gmail application or the Gmail website or the Outlook. This solves major cases. And if that also doesn't work, verify the email used at checkout. You're going to go to your sales dashboard. You're going to go to your dashboard in the Gumroad here after you sign in. And here you're going to go to the sales section and you're going to find the order here. Once you find the order, you're going to confirm the exact email entered. And if they logged in using a different email, they won't see the download in their library. You can also resend the receipts inside the transaction. Click resend receipt and this resends the download link again. Also, check if the products file is attached. Open your product settings and confirm by clicking here. You're going to click on products and then you're going to confirm the file is uploaded and it's not accidentally removed. Products is published and if no file is attached, no download link will appear. You can provide manual access if needed, and if the email continues failing, send a direct products access link or share the download through secure backup method. Now, the download link issues are usually caused by spam filtering or email mismatches. Resend the receipts, verify the email, or check the product's file settings, and your customer should have access immediately. That's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.